Tesla is reclaiming the area of Giga Texas in Austin ahead of the construction of the Gigafactory work beginning. Initial work at the Tesla Gigafactory in Austin in Texas is progressing at high pace as the company is leveling the ground and draining ponds. It's not yet building the plant, but we assume it will start the foundation within a week or so. The factory has to be built from the ground up in about a year, so to be able to start the production of Tesla Semi, Tesla Cybertruck before the end of 2021. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Haria from TorqueNews.com. Our friend who has been regularly sending Tesla Giga Texas stories and videos, drones from Austin, Joe Techmeyer, sent this video from August 2nd, from Sunday, and sending us an update of what's happening at Tesla Giga Texas. Joe says Friday and yesterday saw some pretty large thunderstorms go through the area of Giga Texas. So a lot of the ground today, referring to on Sunday, is wet from the rain. Despite this, it was an excellent day to fly, and I hope viewers of Tesla Giga Texas will enjoy this update. Many people have asked where the extra field dirt is coming from. So in this video, we take a little trip over the Martin Marietta Garfield sand and gravel site nearby. According to their website, Martin Marietta is a member of the S&P 500 index. Martin Marietta is an American-based company and a leading supplier of building materials, including aggregates, cement, ready-mixed concrete, and asphalt. This is how Tesla is benefiting from Martin Marietta. Joe says, I've included a map showing the routes from and to the Giga Texas construction site, showing the almost 7 miles of driving each truck does many times a day. These trucks are really moving quickly on the highways and in the field area. We then follow one of the trucks the way back to Giga Texas to see what one of these runs look like. Updates at Giga Texas site today include the confirmation that they are working 7 days a week on this site, including Sunday, but there are no light cranes or other equipment suggesting that they do not work at night at this point, so just during the day work. Also, the tall crane and the stuck earth moving equipment we saw in the last video are now gone because there was no need for that, and probably soon we will see new and bigger cranes coming as the work of the foundation starts at Giga Texas. As a correction from the last video, Joe says they are not pumping out the ponds and putting this water into the Colorado River. Instead, they are pumping the water into the white storage tanks around the site, and then water trucks are using the water to spread over the dirt in the construction site. There are also some sections of the construction site showing water is just being pumped directly onto the dirt, possibly due to some recent thunderstorms activity in the area and the need to relocate the rainwater. The north tree and swamp area of Giga Texas is now almost completely cleared of trees, so I expect in the next few days to see land filling and leveling beginning in the area, as well as continued pumping out of the water. I have included some close-up video of pumping operations in this video, says Joe, in this area to demonstrate the process. There is also similar activity going on in the south swamp area, suggesting they are preparing to do more work in this area at some point in the future. Progress continues to be swift at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, and I hope the video shows where the field dirt is coming from was helpful to viewers. Stay tuned for more and more. Be sure to subscribe to Joe's channel and to our channel at Texas at Torque News, friends. This is Armin Haria from TorqueNews.com. Please keep watching Joe's video, and I'll see you in our next report. Let me know what you think about the progress of Giga Texas in the comment section below, and have a wonderful rest of the day, and look forward for my next video, which is going to be a very emotional, interesting story. See you soon, friends.